What is Riverside? You've seen the clips on TikTok and Reels, those perfectly crisp 4K video podcasts where everyone looks like they're in the same room, even though they're 1,000 miles apart. You've probably tried to record a remote interview on Zoom or Google Meet, only to end up with a glitchy, pixelated mess because your guest's Wi-Fi decided to act up. If you're tired of the internet lag ruining your content, you need to understand what Riverside is and why it's become the industry standard for creators currently. Riverside isn't just a video calling app. It's a browser-based production suite that records everyone locally. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how it works, from the local-first architecture to the brand new co-creator AI that can edit your entire show just by chatting with it. We'll walk you through the dashboard, look at the Magic Clips feature for social media, and dive into the pricing tiers so you don't overpay. Also, if you want to try Riverside yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. So let's get into it. Now, to understand what Riverside is, you first have to understand the zoom problem. In the standard video call, the quality of your recording depends on your internet speed. If your guest's Wi-Fi dips, the recording freezes. Riverside solves this with local recording. When you use Riverside, the platform records high-quality 4K video and uncompressed 48 kHz wave audio directly on each participant's computer. It doesn't matter if the internet cuts out completely, the recording is happening locally on your hard drive. Also, as you speak, Riverside uses progressive uploading to send those high-resolution files to the cloud in the background. By the time you hit stop, most of your studio quality footage is already safe in your dashboard. But what if your guest doesn't have a high-end webcam? Currently, Riverside's mobile app has become a secret weapon. It allows guests to join the studio using their iPhone or Android device as the primary camera, recording in stunning 4K locally, just like the desktop version. The app automatically syncs the mobile feed with the studio, meaning you can capture professional-grade visuals even when your guest is calling in from a hotel room or on the move. When you enter the Riverside studio, you see the lobby. This is where you select the camera, microphone, and speaker outputs. A key feature currently is the equipment check. Riverside's AI will actually listen to your audio and warn you if your gain is too high or if you're using the wrong mic by mistake. Once you're in the studio, the interface is incredibly intuitive. On the bottom bar, you have the standard controls: mute, camera off, share screen, and the media board. Now, the media board is where you can upload intros, outros, and sound effects to play them live during the recording. This bakes them into the live session, but crucially, Riverside still keeps them on a separate track, giving you total control in your post-production. Also, you find a script and teleprompter. You can paste your talking point here and it will scroll at your preferred speed, thus allowing you to maintain perfect eye contact with your camera while you're staying on track. For remote guests, this is a lifesaver. You can even push the script to their screens so they know exactly what to say. After the recording is done, you're taken to the View Recordings page. This is where the real magic happens. In the past, you'd have to download massive files and move them into Premiere Pro. Well, now, you can do almost everything inside the Riverside editor. Now, if all this sounds great so far, and you want to try Riverside yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. The first thing you'll see is the AI transcription. Riverside now supports 100 languages with 99% accuracy. This powers the text-based editor. If you want to cut a sentence out of your video, you don't need to find it on the timeline. You just highlight the text in the transcript and hit delete. The video heals itself instantly. Next to the transcript, you find the co-creator AI chat. This is your virtual producer. You can type instructions like remove all filler words and long silences, or create a 60-second summary of the part where we talked about AI. The AI will then scan the footage and perform the edits for you. Then there's the Magic Clips. With one click, Riverside identifies the most viral-worthy moments of your long-form recording. It automatically crops them into vertical 9:16 format for TikTok, adds customizable captions, and applies your brand colors. You can go from an hour-long interview to 10 social media clips in under 5 minutes. For those who still prefer professional NLEs like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, Riverside offers timeline export. You can download a specialized file that opens your Riverside project in your favorite editor with all the separate tracks and sync point already perfectly aligned. No more clapping at the start of a video to sync audio. Now let's look at the cost of entry. Riverside has updated their plans to be more flexible. You have the Pro plan at $29 per month. This is the entry-level paid tier for serious solo creators. It gives you 15 hours of multi-track recordings, 4K video, and a host teleprompter. It also unlocks the AI toolkit, including magic audio, eye contact correction, and unlimited transcriptions. Then you have the Live plan. This goes for $39 per month. This is the next step for those who need to grow an audience in real time. It includes everything in the Pro, but also adds the ability to multi-stream in full HD to YouTube, Facebook, and more. Then you have the webinar plan at $99 per month. This is specifically designed for marketing and events. This plan allows you to host up to 100 registrants. It features custom branded registration forms, automated email reminders, and deep CRM integrations to turn your views into leads. Then you have the business plan, but you need to contact sales because this is a custom pricing for custom features. Now the main competitors are Squadcash by Descript and Zencastr. While Squadcash is great if you already use Descript for editing, Riverside generally wins on the AI Magic Editor and video clips functionality. Riverside feels more like a TV studio in a browser, whereas the competitors often feel like audio recorders with video added on. If your primary goal is high-end video for YouTube, Riverside is currently the platform to beat. So is Riverside for you? If you're recording anything remotely, whether it's a podcast, a corporate interview, or a YouTube collab, the answer is almost certainly yes. The peace of mind you get knowing that a bad internet connection won't ruin your footage is worth the subscription price alone. Currently, Riverside has evolved from a simple recording tool into a full-scale AI content engine. It's the bridge between raw ideas and finished social media clips. You no longer need a massive editing team to stay consistent on 5 different platforms. You just need a good mic, a browser, and a plan. To recap, with Riverside, the local recording ensures you never have a zoom lag again. The Magic Clip turns your long videos into viral shorts instantly, and the Co-Creator AI handles the tedious editing so you can focus on the conversation. So if at this point you've decided that you want to try Riverside yourself, go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. It's the best way to jump into the studio, record a test session in 4K, and see how the AI transcription can speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.